My project is on support for Black women facing domestic violence. So my argument is domestic violence in the Black community should be talked about, and the people in the Black community should help the women get the support they need and able to function in everyday life. When Black women get support, they are most likely to take the support and heal from it. So instead of judging them and looking down on them, the Black community should come together and support them and find ways to support them and not just say, oh, well, they did this, and don't blame them for anything, because at the end of the day, you have to look at it as like, okay, let's go get the support and just talk to them and just be there for them no matter what. So the background about it is I wanted to know if people believe that women should get the support they need. I also want to know if men should get support too, because if the men get help from domestic violence situation, it will not be happening. The rate of domestic violence will lower down, which I believe it will lower down because, if you think about it, if men get the help they need, because if they keep physically or emotionally or mentally abusing someone and they get the help they need, they won't be doing it anymore because they talk to someone and they know what's right and what's wrong. And if you look at what they went through in their childhood, for instance, if a man was abused when he was younger, he's more likely to do it to his wife or child when he's around them. The method used. I used a survey because I wanted to get people's opinion and to see what they think about Black women getting support they need. Using a survey was a very useful thing because I got all the information I needed, and it also showed me how people's mindset is different from each other's about the whole situation against domestic violence on Black women. So everybody thinks different from one another. So everybody thinks that, some people think that Black women shouldn't get support and some people think they do. So the results I found is that it was mixed. Some people have different opinions on Black women getting support, and the results showed a big part of the findings that I found, that people don't realize that everybody's different in what they believe. And I was shocked at what I saw because I was looking at the results and I asked people, what is your race? Majority of the people were Black, 27.3 were white, 9.1 were Hispanic, and 9.1 was Asian. So then I asked, do Black women need a domestic violence support system? 90.9 said yes, and 9.1 said no, which I was shocked because I feel like Black women do need a support system. And then I was like, that's really crazy because some people don't think that. Some people think, oh, they don't need a support system, they're okay. Everybody needs a support system, and I feel like personally more Black women need it, because if they're going through the domestic violence situation, you can't look down on them. You have to say, okay, let's go get the help they need. And yeah. Third question I asked is, does race matter when it comes to getting support? So 72.7 said no, and 27.3 said yes. I believe yes because, some Black women feel like, oh, a white woman doesn't know what I'm going through, even though it's domestic violence. She doesn't know what I'm going through with the situation. So some Black women look like, I only want help from my Black communities, and that's why I say Black communities need to step up and come together and not judge each other and not put each other down, because they need each other. Black women, Black men, we all need each other. We all need each other to support each other. And then I said, what do you believe is the correct rate of domestic violence against Black women? So 35% is correct. Only 13.6 people answered that correctly, which is shocking because a lot of people don't know the rate of domestic violence against Black women, and not just against Black women, but the rate against women in general. But I feel like if domestic violence and Black women were talked about, it would have been more likely it would not happen, and it would be talked about more. If a black woman got support from someone, would it be effective? So a lot of it was mixed, but I believe it would be effective. So mostly a lot of people said it would be effective because I feel like if a woman listens to another woman, then they would take it and say, okay, I have to leave that situation immediately. And then I said, do black men need a support system just like women? And then 68.2 said yes, and then 31.8 said no. I believe they do because if you think about it, if women are getting abused by men, you want to know why. Like I said, you want to know why is it happening and why does it keep continuously happening and what can I do to prevent it or stop it from happening even less than it is before. So like you want to look at like why and where it's coming from. And then those are the results that I found. And then the meaning. Many people believe that women should have a support system, not just inside their race, but outside their race too. Most people think that it would be effective if women got help, which I agree with too, but then people don't think men should get help. If men got help, would the domestic rate drop down? So like, would it like lower or would it still be at a high rate?